Hello students, welcome to ShowUpSys classes. So in today's video we'll start with question number 46. So we are solving UGC NET 2016 July paper. So we'll start with paper number 2. Paper number 3. So in today's video we'll start with question number 46. So in question number 46 it is given which among the following is true for real effective exchange rate of the currency of a country. So 4 options are given, out of which we need to find out the right answer. So which among the following are basically true for real effective exchange rate of the currency of a country. So we know for this the nominal and real effective exchange rate are more meaningful for empirical analysis than bilateral exchange rates. So nominal exchange rate and real effective exchange rate are meaningful for empirical analysis than bilateral exchange rates. So the nominal effective exchange rate is weighted average of a country's exchange rate against other major countries, so currencies. Now international competitiveness is affected not only by exchange rate but also by fluctuation in domestic and foreign prices. So it is not only affected by exchange rate. Now international competitiveness is not only affected by exchange rate but also by the fluctuation of domestic and foreign prices. So thus the nominal effective exchange rate is adjusted to incorporate inflation rate differences. This type of indicator is called the real effective exchange rate. Real effective exchange rate. So for this we know, that is for question number 46, it is weighted average of value of traded currency. This is right, and it is also adjusted for interest rate, inflation rate of prices. It is not adjusted, so this is not right. So for this we know it is the weighted average of value of traded currency. So this is right, and it is also adjusted for inflation rate of prices. So for this we know, for question number 46 the right answer would be option 4, that is both 1 and 2 are right. So the question was that following is true: real effective exchange rate of the currency of a country is weighted average of value of traded currency and adjusted for inflation rate of prices. So for this we know, for question number 46 the right answer would be option 4, sorry. So now we'll go to the next question, which is question number 47. So in question number 47 it is given, during the episode of a sustained fall in crude oil prices during year 2015, which among the following best describes the pricing strategy of OPEC countries? Transfer pricing, predatory pricing, defensive pricing, and profit maximizing pricing. So during the episode of sustained fall in crude oil rate, so during the sustained fall in crude oil prices during the year 2015, which among the following best describes the price strategy of OPEC countries? So we know, for this reason, for question number 47 the right answer would be option 3, that is defensive pricing. So for question number 47 the right answer is option C or 3, say for an example. Now we'll go to the next question, which is question number 48. It is given which of the following statement is true for gravity model to explain trade. So there are 3 options are given. So it is true for bilateral context. So gravity model to explain trade, it is true for bilateral context. It is right. It was developed by Jan Tinbergen in 1962. It is also right. It takes into account the distance among trading nations. So it is also right. So we have to remember what? That is, it was developed by Jan Tinbergen in 1962. It is used in bilateral context basically, and it takes into account the distance among trading nations. So gravity model is what? Explaining trade between these three is right. So all of them will be right. So for question number 48, the right answer will be option 4. So in today's video, we solved question number 46, 47, 48. So now what I'll do is I'll simply revise through the questions that are there from question number 45 until question number 48. We'll solve the questions. We'll revise through the questions. So first I'll start with question number 45. So in question number 45, it was given that when two or more countries enter into an agreement to eliminate import quota and tariff and promote trade among themselves, such a group or countries are said to form. 4 options are given: free trade area, custom union, a common market, and both 2 and 3. We know for this the right answer would be option 1, that is it will be free trade area. So for question number 45, the right answer would be option 1, that is free trade area. Now we'll go to the next question, which is question number 46. So in question number 46, it is given, which among the following is true for real effective exchange rate of the currency of a country? So 4 options are given. It is weighted average of value of traded currency, it is adjusted for inflation rate of prices, then it is not adjusted for inflation of prices, and both 1 and 2. For this reason, we know for question number 46, the right answer will be, it is weighted average of value of traded currency, this is right, and it is adjusted for inflation rate of prices, this is also right. So for option 4 is the right answer for question number 46. Now we'll go to the next question, which is question number 47. So in question number 47, it is given during. So we know that for this, now we'll come to question number 47. It is given during the episode of sustained fall in crude oil prices during the year 2015, which among the following is the best describe the pricing strategy of OPEC countries? For this, we know the right answer would be defensive pricing, that is option 3. Now we'll go to the next question, which is question number 48. So in question number 48, which of the following statement is true for gravity model to explain trade? We know that it was developed by Jan Tinbergen in 1962. It is used in bilateral context, and finally it takes into account the distance among trading nations. So all of them are right. So for this reason, we know all of 3 above are true. So for question number 48, the right answer would be option 4. So for question number 48, the right answer would be option 4. Now we have come to the next question. We'll take into these questions from the next video. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any query or doubt, you can simply WhatsApp me on this number, which is 9836 793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.shourabsirclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will also get to see a lot of other materials which are needed for different entrance exam. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead.